What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of NS9 Cardboard. I'm Jim, and today we've got 2023 Topps Archives. We've got a hobby box, 2 on-card autographs per box. I'm a pretty big fan of this set. It's also like more of a bargain break. You know, you get the 2 autographs. You can get this whole box for around $130 or so. It's available in retail format. They've got some other parts as well. Like you see these lunch pails right here. You can go and find those. Shout out Sean, who watches our videos. He's in the Discord. He was on a Pirates break apparently with this stuff, and he ended up with like 20 of these lunch pails. So he sent me a couple of them, so I'm going to use them as my background in the video. I'm a big Roberto Clemente guy, and I think they just look kind of cool. So yeah, shout out Sean. Thank you for those. But yeah, let's get right into it. This year, the set features 1950. Let me just make the years right. 1950. Let's see. 3 different years: 56, 65, and 2003 in the base set. See these baby boomer inserts? These are from 1998. I was a huge fan of these growing up. I was 11 years old at the time. I remember like a lot of the rookies, like the younger guys who were coming, kind of breaking into the league at that time, those baby boomers cards, they were pretty sick. So I'm excited to rip into this. Let's see what we can do. We'll go through it relatively quick. There's a lot of cards in these boxes. We're looking for rookies. We're looking for image variations. We're looking for some cool inserts. And we are looking for autographs. So, first things we see when we open up the box, we've got some 3D glasses. That's kind of neat. You know what we're going to do? We're going to wear the 3D glasses during the break. I don't know if that means we'll maybe get some 3D cards. Who knows? All I know is here we go. These things are pretty sharp. All right. I can still see in them all right, so hopefully I don't miss anything. Here we go. All right, 2023 Topps Archives. Yount, Brito, Laureano. It actually looks kind of cool with the 3D glasses on. I'm not going to lie. If you haven't tried this yet, you should. Justin Turner, Ryan Mountcastle. There's a Rogers Hornsby. That's an insert card. And Andres Jimenez and Ian Happ. These are the 2003 card designs right there. You know what? 3D glasses while opening cards. This is the way to go. We got Noma, Bo Jackson, Bo Bichette, Miggy, Matt Olson. There's a nice Bobby Wood Jr. That's in the 80. What is that? 89 Topps. Got George Brett on the back. Cool little insert right there. Key Brian Hayes and Anthony Rizzo. Whew. Depth perception's a little off with these glasses. There's our first Adley rookie card. Acuna, Blackman, Stott, Posey. Ooh. A little bit inside baseball. Corbin Carroll. That's pretty neat. Cool insert. It also looks really neat with 3D glasses. Garrett Cole and Salvador Perez. We'll sleeve up the rookies. Again, like the base cards, they're not very expensive. You know, this is a pretty low end product, but you can still find some cool stuff. There's those baby boomer cards I was talking about. There's Nolan Gorman, Edwin Diaz, Chris Bryant. Christian Yelich. There's an O'Neal Cruz. Ty Cobb. Matt Mervis. Miguel Vargas. Kike Hernandez. Rosario and Tovar. Nolan Arenado. Reese. There's a Leover Peguero rookie card. Kodai Senga rookie. Oh, baby. Holy crap. You are due to receive a 1998 Topps Baby Bombers autograph variation of NL Rookie of the Year, Corbin Carroll. Holy smokes. That snuck up on me, but that's going to be one of the best autographs that we can pull, you guys. That is a rookie insert autograph of Corbin Carroll. That's sick. That's got to be numbered too. Let's take a peek at this. All right. Baby Bombers autographs. This says Baby Bombers. Let's take a peek here. It's hard to read the computer with the... All right. So these are one in every 102 packs. I'm not seeing where they are numbered, but whew, that's a sweet hit. That is a sweet hit. That is not something that you expect to pull from this. I was geared up and ready for like two just run-of-the-mill normal autographs. Was not expecting a Corbin Carroll rookie auto. So that is huge. CJ Cron, Ketel Marte, Mark Vientos. Man, that's awesome. I can't believe I pulled that with 3D glasses on too. So now it just comes down to the redemption. We'll send that out to Topps and get that sent out to us. Brett Beatty, Garrett Mitchell rookies. Cade Cavalli. Hey, there's a nice Gunnar Henderson rookie. Adam Wainwright. Oh man, love that stuff. Love it. No matter what happens here, the rest of the way, this is a hell of a break. Ryan Sandberg, Miguel Amaya. There's a Gabby Moreno rookie. Stroman, Freeman, Ted Williams insert. Austin Riley and Cedric Mullins. That's the first, I want to say that's the first Corbin Carroll autograph that I've pulled. I mean, he was in 2019 Bowman draft. I opened up a little of that back in the day. Bobby Witt Jr., Chris Sale, Josh Smith. But, yeah, I don't think I've pulled a Corbin Carroll autograph before. So that is sick. That is a keeper. That's a card I'm going to keep. I'm not selling that. Ripken, Yolks, Reed Detmers, Nick Ahmed, McMahon. There's a Julio Rodriguez inside baseball. It's a cool card. Jordan Groshans and Willie Adames. Let's see if we can get the second auto to be like just as good as the first. Now I'm getting greedy. I'm just getting greedy now. Josh Young rookie. Oswaldo Peraza rookie. Haniger, Springer. There's a Honus Wagner. That's kind of neat. That's like after his playing days. That's actually when he was a coach. And our second auto, rookie auto, James Outman of the Los Angeles Dodgers. Fan favorites auto, James Outman. It's not numbered. That is on card though. Not a bad hit. Not a bad hit. Two good autographs. Two rookies. Hey, you get two rookies. That's a good box. Especially when one of them's Corbin Carroll. Willie Mays, Ted Williams rounding it out. Good stuff. If you had told me Corbin Carroll and James Outman were the two autos, yeah, we'll take that. Tris Speaker, Max Muncy, Casey Mize. We got some color back here. Brandon Crawford. Looks like some kind of a gold some kind of a gold foil. Let's just see what it is. So after Varsho, we've got a gold foil, Giancarlo Stanton. That is numbered to 15, you guys. Numbered to 15. It's actually not gold. The glasses, I guess, make it a little funny looking. It is an orange hot is the actual parallel. Orange hot. Giancarlo Stanton, numbered to 15. That's a good card. That is a good card. We will take that all day. All day. And finishing out the pack, Jordan and Pete Alonso. Max Meyer. Fujinami. JD. Hey, there's our boy Andrew McCutcheon. Looking fly in a Pirates jersey. DeGrom. There's another Adley. This one doesn't have the rookie card label on it. It's got Gunnar Henderson on the back too. That's pretty neat. You know what? We'll sleeve that one up. Got Yoshida and Paul Goldschmidt. I think we had already pulled a Paul Goldschmidt. Now we got another one. Spencer Steer, Michael Grove, Jose Ramirez, Corbin Burns, Xander, Robles, Conforte, and Keibert Ruiz. I wonder if it was better off not opening these glasses. Jazz, Soto, Adulis. Oh, we got another parallel there. Is that another one of those hot orange gold things? Maybe it's just a regular foil. I don't know, but we're going to see. After Edward Julian, it's an A-Rod Kings of Swing. Numbered to 50. Check that out. 38 of 50. Alex Rodriguez, Kings of Swing insert. Hey, it's always good when your parallels are Yankees. That's always a good sign. Good stuff. That's a cool card. Love it. Good break. And we got Volpe behind him and Dom Fletcher. Let's keep it going, you guys. I don't even know what else there is to pull. We got a really good autograph. We got another rookie autograph. We got a numbered to 15, numbered to 50. Tim Anderson, Liberator, A-Rod. There's a Jordan Walker. And a number crunchers, Jeff McNeil. It's shiny. Logan Webb, Ernie Banks. I'm going to sleeve it up just because it's shiny. So, not sure if there's anything special about that. We'll look it up. If there is, we'll have something pop up and explain it to you guys. Gallen, Strider, Kyle Tucker, Jackie, Piazza, and there we go, Jordan. That is numbered too. Jordan, that is 39 of 99. Jordan Alvarez. Man, we've gotten some good parallels. This is the best box of Topps Archives I've ever opened. And I opened archives. I've opened a lot of Topps Archives in my day. Never opened a box this good. Garrett Griffey, Messina, Lowe, Soto and Tatis on that. That's a cool card. Mookie, India, Verdugo. We're down to, looks like 5 packs. Rogers, Flores, Johnson, Mauer, Mike Trout insert. Roy, Campanella, Johnny Bench, and Bill Mazeroski. That's a cool card. Contreras, Musgrove, Hornsby, Bybee, Babe Ruth inside baseball. Neat card. Ozzie Smith, Grayson Rodriguez, Matt McLain. Don't see a ton of Matt McLain cards out there just because he debuted a little late. But they did sneak him into this set. So there we go. Tristan Casas, Scherzer, Tatis, Stanton, Pablo Lopez. We got a Jeremy Pena. Oh, that's cool with the 3D. This is a 3D card. Oh, man. Dog. What is that dog doing? Jeremy Pena. We'll just leave that up. We're wearing 3D glasses, so do that right there. Three more packs. Greg Maddux, that one's kind of dented up there, you can see. Michael Bush, Bregman, Benintendi, Mateo. There's another 3D card. Reed Detmers, the Louisville kid. Shohei Ohtani, and Estory Ruiz. I like the 3D cards. Abrams, Jeter, Valdez, Turner, Verlander. Another 3D card. Christian Javier. Zach Neto. There we go. And Brian Reynolds. Zach Neto rookie card. Another guy who not in every product this year. We did pull a Zach Neto autograph in Bowman Sterling. Thurman Munson. There's another 3D. Oscar Gonzalez. Manoah. And Will Smith. All right. What a break, you guys. That'll do it. Let's do a quick recap. We've got 3 numbered parallels. Yordan Alvarez to 99. This was I guess it's green. It's hard to tell with the glasses. It's a green foil. Yordan Alvarez to number 99. Alex Rodriguez, Kings of Swing. This is numbered to 50. And then numbered to 15, it is a orange hot Giancarlo Stanton. So that is nice. Autographs. James Outman, on-card rookie. And the hit of the break by far, 1998 Topps Baby. I don't know why it says Baby Bombers in here because it is Baby Boomers. 1998 Topps Baby Boomers autograph variation of Corbin Carroll. So we get the NL Rookie of the Year autograph. I will be sure that when I redeem this to post it for all of you guys to see. But man, that's awesome. That's awesome. What a box. What a box. That's from Fanatics. Box is from Fanatics. So $130. Super fun break. Thanks again for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me know in the comments what you've pulled from this product. Again, shout out to Sean for the Roberto Clemente lunch pails here in the background. Love them. Really appreciate you sending them over. But yeah, we'll be back with another box of cards later on. Appreciate you guys, and we'll talk to you later.